Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. Managing files and content creation can be a real challenge. Searching, organizing, and keeping track of everything often slows down productivity. But what if managing your content was effortless? Check out Monday.com, the ultimate workflow tool to streamline your content creation process. Before we start the demo, subscribe to our channel for updates on Monday.com and other SaaS business solutions. Alright, let's dive into the demo. First, navigate to the Template Center and search for the Digital Asset Management template. While this board is fully customizable, let's quickly walk through its default structure. Each item represents an individual asset, neatly organized into groups based on its type. Columns help categorize key details such as the creator, dimensions, and most importantly, the Files column, where you store the actual asset. But here's where this board truly helpful to manage content, the card view. With a single click, add it to any board and get an instant visual overview of your assets. With all essential details, it's also fully interactive, allowing you to update information directly from the view. Need to find a specific asset? Use the search bar to locate it instantly. You can also filter and sort assets however you like, and even save your custom view to streamline your workflow. And there's more. Click on any file to collaborate in real time, add annotations, provide feedback, and tag teammates for quick reviews. For videos, comments are timestamped, making communication seamless. Need revisions? Simply upload the latest version directly, no more digging through endless files to find the right one. And that's it. Say goodbye to lost files and disorganized assets. With Monday.com's digital asset management, you can centralize, organize, and collaborate on all your digital assets in one searchable, structured, and efficient workspace. Please check out the link in the description to give it a try. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights and productivity tips. In our next video, we'll explore another exciting business use case. Thank you.